So guys, welcome to FinTech Gears. So in today's video, मैं आपको बताऊंगा how you can use CorelDRAW software free of cost. So this software basically used for designing for many products such as wedding cards, business card, etc. So first of all आपको क्या करना है, सबसे पहले इसका सेटअप है CorelDRAW Technical Suite का. इसको हम ओपन करेंगे. तो सेटअप जो एक्सट्रैक्ट हो रहा है इसका CorelDRAW Technical Suite X7 बेसिकली हम यहाँ पर इंस्टॉल कर रहे हैं. So it is installing. You can see that this is a complete setup including the serial keys, original serial keys. I will show you. So विंडो ये Corel में जो है आपका ये ओपन हो रहा है इसकी विंडो. CorelDRAW Technical Suite X7 initializing the setup. Accept the terms and condition. Next. इसके बाद क्या होगा कि ये आपसे now will select this function. I have a serial number. So इसमें क्लिक करेंगे. Now कि हम कस्टम इंस्टॉलेशन पे क्लिक करेंगे कि अगर आपको कुछ चेंजेस करने हैं. तो जैसे कि आप देखेंगे इसमें देयर आर मैनी सॉफ्टवेयर्स बट करेंटली वी विल ओनली शो you the CorelDRAW because this is a very heavy software. You can see that CorelDRAW at least it is only taking 2.04 GB space. Just keep on click on next. Click on next. और इसमें हम इसको अनचेक कर देंगे अलाउ प्रोडक्ट अपडेट्स को, ताकि ये कोई अपडेट ना ले इंस्टॉल. Now please just keep pressing install. Your software is now installing. So we'll wait till it installed. So now it is installed. We'll click on finish. Okay. So now you have fully activated lifetime CorelDRAW Technical Suite. You can save this file on desktop. This file basically contains your serial number and activation code. So this window will appear, so you can just ignore it and click on close. Now your CorelDRAW software basically is opening. You can see that CorelDRAW is application open. You can click on new and then you can start doing designing of your product. So this is a very useful software, and I know many of the viewers require this software for designing purpose. So you can see that this is the serial number and fully activated mode. So thank you for watching this video, and if you really require this software, then I am ready to share the software link, but you need to comment and subscribe this channel for the same. Thank you for watching this video.